Alrighty, y'all. Those are just our donut holes covered in our evaporated milk. I'm now using some cherry pie filling and a little scoop here. I am just gonna be placing this in dollops right along my donut holes to give this some color, some flavoring. We're making a super easy and delicious dessert today that I think y'all are really going to like. This is a fun one to make and to take to the potluck. I bet a lot of people haven't had this before, but they're gonna be just crazy about it after they try it this time. And you can use any flavor of pie filling here. I just thought the cherry would be delicious, but we've got fall coming up and I think apple would also be perfect. Now I've just got a can of sweetened condensed milk. If you want to do a different kind of sugar, you can totally do so, but I just thought the sweetened condensed milk with the cherries and our donuts here would go so well together. Perfect, donut holes, I should say. And you could always do a, cinnamon donut hole, a regular cake, a chocolate. You can totally customize this any way you like. And that is one of my favorite things about this easy dessert here. Perfect. I'm just gonna come in with a little bit of ground cinnamon to kind of bring in some of that fall flavor. But this is looking really good. If I was using apple, I'd try an apple pie spice with this. We're just gonna give this a little stir to incorporate. I don't wanna break up my donut holes, but I wanna make sure they're all covered in a bit of that sweetened condensed milk, a little bit of that cherry yummy goodness, and a little bit of that evaporated milk that's just gonna help everything cook evenly together. Now you can add more to this at this point if you prefer. I'm gonna kind of leave it like this. Now I've got this yellow cake mix. I'm just gonna come in and dump this right on top. This is my Bethany Crocker. You can use whatever kind you like, a French vanilla, a regular vanilla. Doesn't have to be yellow. I mean, even a chocolate I think would be so good with this cherry in here. And I'm just gonna spread that out. Whoop, we'll get that all inside here. Perfect, just like that. Now I've just got a stick of butter here, and you can melt this if you prefer, but I like to just do my little pats. I'm just gonna cut this into smaller pieces. I might even use more than one stick just because we've got so much cake batter here, and I wanna get this nice and evenly covered, so all of that will get hit by some butter when we've got this in the oven. And I like salted butter. I know a lot of people bake with unsalted, but I gotta say that salted butter is my favorite. Alrighty guys, we're ready to pop this in our oven. I'm gonna put it in at 350 for about 35 minutes. Alrighty guys, our beautiful donut hole cake is ready. Look how amazing and delicious this looks. Those cherries bubbling out. Now you could put some powdered sugar on top here. You could put, some ice cream, but I'm just gonna grab a scoop just the way it is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Yum. Wow. This looks so good with those cherries in there. Looks absolutely incredible. Get myself a big bite here. Y'all, you gotta try it.